Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start a workout with Samsung Galaxy Ring. Put your ring on, then go into a Samsung Health app. And now, in Samsung Health, scroll down until you find these activities. You can choose one of those or click on more, and now you can select any of these available exercises. Click on them. While using the app, allow, agree, start workout, agree, and now your workout has started. You can walk or do any other activity, and when you're done, click on pause and finish. You can also enable auto workout detection in your Galaxy Wearables app. To enable auto workout detection, go to Galaxy Wearables, then here go to Health Settings, Activities to detect, click on it, enable it, and enable walking or running. You can also enable it and enable recording location when these activities automatically enable, and they will be automatically detected after several minutes of performing that activity. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.